5 seconds. How to become a pilot in Indian Air Force? Becoming a pilot in Air Force is not an easy task. It requires quite a lot amount of dedication, strong will and courage to accept this challenging and rewarding role. An IAF pilot has to go through rigorous training that involves air-to-air combat while flying a fighter plane. The main responsibility of IAF pilot is to accomplish a mission that includes attacking the enemy base and rescuing soldiers, civilians, or doing both. In many cases, pilots are required to perform some soldiers, civilians are doing both. In many cases, pilots are required to perform some peacekeeping missions as well. But in most cases, they are trained for fighting with their fighter jets. It is not that easy to join Indian Air Force as a pilot. There are 4 ways through which candidates can become an Indian Air Force pilot. National Defence Academy, Combined Defence Service Exam, NCC entry, and Short Service Commission entry are the courses that are the only path to get into IAF as a flying officer. While the 3 ways are considered to be permanent commission, the last one is a temporary one. Candidates can join NDA after completing class 12. For other courses, candidates should be a graduate to apply. National Defence Academy, to join the flying branch of IAF, candidates should appear for National Defence Academy exam. The NDA examination is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. The candidates who qualify the examination will have to undergo a 3 years training at NDA followed by flying training at Air Force training establishments. After completion of the training, candidates will be commissioned as permanent commission officers or can be posted as pilots at any IAF section station. Combined Defence Service Examination, apart from NDA, UPSC also conducts CDSC exam for men who aspire to become a pilot. After qualifying the CDS exam, candidates are entitled for admission to Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy, same as NDA training. Candidates here will have to undergo training in Air Force Academy. With completion of training, candidates will be getting the permanent commission officers or can be posted as pilots at any IAF station. National Cadet Corps special entry coming to NCC, special entry that is for only for men. Candidates having Air Wing Senior Division C certificate holder is eligible for National Cadet Corps special entry. The joining will be done through the Directorate General National Cadet Corps or through your respective NCC Air Squadrons. That is the special entry case where the candidates will be given permanent commission officers post. Air Force Common Admission Test. Air Force Common Admission Test AFCAT is open for both male and female candidates. The test is conducted by IAF for admission to Short Service Commission for a term of 14 years. These candidates are hired on technical branches and ground duty branches. This examination is conducted twice a year. To become a pilot in IAF, candidates should be an Indian by nationality. How to become a pilot in Indian Air Force? Becoming a pilot in Air Force is not an easy task. It requires quite a lot amount of dedication, strong will and courage to accept this challenging and rewarding role. And IAF pilot has to go through rigorous training that involves air-to-air combat while flying a fighter plane.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.